Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace, your friendly English teacher. Today, I'm going to take you through my Sunday routine. We'll learn some useful English expressions and speaking skills while I cook, wash dishes, go for a morning walk in the park, read, and relax. Let's get started. Let's start our Sunday with a delicious breakfast. Today, I'm making scrambled eggs and toast. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We have eggs, butter, salt, pepper, and bread. Can you repeat after me? Eggs, butter, salt, pepper, bread. Excellent. Now, let's crack the eggs into a bowl. To crack an egg, hold it in one hand and tap it gently on the edge of the bowl. Then, pull the shell apart. Let's practice. Crack the eggs. Great job! Next, we'll add a pinch of salt and pepper and whisk the eggs. To whisk means to beat or stir the eggs quickly. Repeat after me. Whisk the eggs. Perfect! Now, let's melt some butter in a pan. Once the butter is melted, we'll pour the eggs into the pan and cook them on low heat. Stir occasionally until they're scrambled. Let's say, cook the eggs on low heat and stir occasionally. Wonderful! While the eggs are cooking, let's toast the bread. Now, we'll wait a few minutes for everything to be ready. After enjoying a lovely breakfast, it's time to wash the dishes. First, we need some dish soap and a sponge. Can you repeat after me? Dish soap, sponge. Excellent. Now, let's rinse the dishes with water and apply some dish soap. To rinse means to wash with water. Repeat after me. Rinse the dishes. Great. Now, let's scrub the dishes with the sponge. To scrub means to rub hard to clean. Repeat after me. Scrub the dishes. Wonderful. Finally, we'll rinse off the soap and place the dishes on the drying rack. Well done. Let's move on to our morning walk. It's a beautiful day for a walk in the park. Walking is a great way to relax and enjoy nature. Let's learn some phrases we can use while walking. Look at the flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Repeat after me. Look at the flowers. Wonderful. How about the trees? They provide such nice shade. Repeat. Look at the trees. Excellent. Do you hear the birds singing? It's so peaceful. Repeat. Do you hear the birds singing? Great. Let's keep walking and enjoy the fresh air. After our walk, it's time to relax with a good book. Reading is a wonderful way to improve your English. Today, I'm reading English book. Let's learn some phrases related to reading. First, open the book. Repeat after me. Open the book. Great. Next, turn the page. Repeat. Turn the page. Excellent. As you read, try to understand the story and enjoy the process. If you come across a new word, you can look it up in a dictionary. Repeat. Look it up in a dictionary. Wonderful. After a productive day, it's important to get some rest. A good night's sleep helps us feel refreshed and ready for a new day. Let's learn some phrases for bedtime. You can say, good night to wish someone a restful sleep. Repeat after me. Good night. Excellent. Another phrase is sweet dreams. Repeat. Sweet dreams. Wonderful. Remember to relax and get a good night's sleep. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my Sunday routine and learned some useful English phrases. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English learning content. Until next time, good night and sweet dreams.